For today's video, I'm going to show you my 4 top DIY crafting tools. Stay tuned. I'm Robin, and if you're new here, this is Crafts Unleashed by Robin, and today is Turbo Tip Thursday. The tools I'm going to show you in today's video are not sponsored. I'm not getting paid. They are simply tools that I personally find useful in everyday crafting, and I thought you would too. So let's jump into my top 4 crafter must-have tools. My most used tool in my craft room is my glue gun. I have the Sure Bonder Mini and the full size depending on the job I want to do. I love the Sure Bonder hot glue guns because they don't waste glue, and I also highly recommend the Gorilla hot glue sticks. Another tool that I use almost daily in my craft room is my Chandler heat tool. I use this to dry paint in between coats, and it is very handy at getting all those stickers and glue off of those little Dollar Tree items that we all like to craft with. For any kind of wood cutting, small projects, this little miter box can be picked up at Walmart for about 10 bucks. The little mini version can be found at some home improvement stores or Amazon. But if you'd like the electric version, Harbor Freight has one for around $40. Amazon carries them as well. Another tool you may want to consider is a palm sander. I got this one at Walmart for around $20, and it's great for those larger pieces of wood. But if all you do is just work with smaller pieces, then the block sander from Dollar Tree or the finger zip sander from Walmart works great. And I have all 3. If you've made it with me this far in the video, comment down below and let me know what tool you use most often in your craft room. And also, are there any tools that you're looking to add in the next few months or the next year maybe? Are you looking to upgrade maybe from a handsaw to a power saw maybe? Let me know down below because I love reading y'all's comments, getting your feedback. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't done so already, please click that red subscribe button down below. I am a young growing channel, and I'd love to have you join my little Unleashed pack here on YouTube. So as I always say, y'all go out, get your craft on, and I'll see you next time. Bye.